Okay, I think this is Mr. Gammo. All right, are you Michael Gammo? All right, this is case number 21 CR 109. State of Ohio versus Michael John Gammo. This hearing is a bond review being conducted by Zoom. Court set bond and arraigned Mr. Gammo Wednesday, and under the Rule 46, we have to have a hearing in 48 hours. The attorney I appointed to represent you, Mr. Gammo, was Mr. Kerr, but he's on vacation, and so Mr. Wagner graciously agreed to fill in for him and another attorney in another case here this morning. So the court, the defendant is indicted on 4-count indictment, third-degree felony, a failure to comply, 2 fifth-degree felonies, 4th-degree felony, court set bond of $15,000. Mr. Wagner, you want to make any comments on bond at this time?
Your Honor, I apologize, sir. Your Honor, not being attorney of record, I can't speak to the facts of the case. I'm not sure if there's any other holders or intentions out there. We would just ask the court for a reasonable modification. If not, Mr. Cook could reserve right to file when he gets back Monday, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Miles.
Your Honor, based on the nature of the offense and offenses and what occurred here, and the fact that Mr. Gammo has quite a criminal history and prior convictions for failure to comply, $15,000 does not seem egregious based on the nature of the crime.
All right. Well, I'm just looking through the Ohio Court Network report, which is actually very, very long. I see a history of failure to appear, start back in 04, when the suspension were issued. A failure to appear that was dismissed. A couple of prior failure to complies. And quite a few felony charges. So, based on that, I agree the bond will remain the same. Mr. Kirk will be back next week. Mr. Gammo, once he gets his information on your case, will be in touch with you. You can speak to him if you wish to bring that matter back up again. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you're Ronald D. Hausman the second?
Yes, sir.
All right, it's case number 21 CR 110. David Howard, Ronald Hausman D. Hausman II. Mr. Hausman is appearing by video. This is a bond review hearing. Mr. Hausman was arraigned Wednesday, and counsel was not present. And under Rule 46, the court has to do a review within 48 hours. Mr. Armentrout was appointed to represent the defendant. He is on vacation until Monday, so attorney Jacob Wagner is filling in for him. The child was charged with felonious assault, abduction, and domestic violence, and court set bond at $50,000. I'll note that the recommendation from the state was $100,000, but I want $50,000. Mr. Wagner, anything you would like to say?
Well, Your Honor, in fact, I'm filling in for Mr. Armentrout. I am not apprised of the facts. I don't know how severe the alleged felonious assault is. Obviously, the state asked for 100. The court was gracious enough to reduce that to half. I would simply ask that Mr. Armentrout have the right to file for a bond reduction once he returns, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Collins, anything you want to say?
Your Honor, we did ask for $100,000. That was his prior bond from county court. There is obviously still allegations at this point, but there was a knife used in this incident. The victim suffered quite a bit of injury and harm. Additionally, Mr. Hausman, I believe, has he has another case, and I'm not sure what the status of that is, but I know a violation.
Another case,
He's filed there's been a violation filed, I know that.
right. Yep.
So he was already on, I believe, either community control or intervention in lieu, and he's violated that as well.
Right. Well, the court will leave the bond the same. Again, once Mr. Armentrout has a chance to review your case, Mr. Housen, you can talk with him. But I think, under the circumstances, the allegations plus the prior record, and quite honestly, on the PV, you probably held that bond anyway. So, we'll just leave it as it is. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.